Hi friends, in our channel A to Z for Kids Zone, we provide many useful informative videos. We have explained mathematical concepts. We are telling moral stories for kids in Tamil on weekly basis. We are posting videos Science with Experiment wherein we explain science concept more understandable. Hope you would like all our videos so hit on thumbs up. If you are a parent or teacher watching this video, yes, this channel is completely for your kids, aimed at age 3 to 14 years age. You can undoubtedly play all our videos. We don't have harsh contents or videos that impact kids. Please subscribe our channel and get notification so that you can get notification and click on bell button. Share these videos with your all your social platform to help us spread this video. Hi friends, today we are in chapter 3 light in science with experiment video. Hope you have liked science with experiment with air and water. If you have not watched those videos, you can see in my previous videos. Let's start. Chapter 3 Light. Light is a form of energy. Daily we get light from sun in the day. Plants prepare their food by a process called photosynthesis. Sunlight helps this process to occur. 1. Sunlight consists 7 colors. Have you seen an enchanting rainbow in the sky? When rain falls, if there is hot sun, there will be a rainbow in the sky. Can't you bring it to your home? Can't you bring it to your home? Why not? Do the small experiment. Take a glass full of pure water. Keep a white paper on the window bottom frame. Keep the glass on the paper. Ensure that the sun rays are falling straight on the glass. You observe 7 colors constituting a rainbow on the paper. Which are these colors? Sunlight is white in color. This is made up of 7 colors, namely violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. To remember, it is usually written as VIBGYOR. VIBGYOR. Whether rainbow is formed on paper or on sky, the principle is same. This is refractions of light. That is refractions of light. When there is refraction, the different colors in the light, according to their basic tendency, deviate or bend differently. Likewise, the light divided into 7 different colors. The light that passes through air strikes the water in the glass, while it come out of the glass, enters air and falls on paper. The result is rainbow. Second one, light travels in straight line. Light do not bend, it travels in straight path. The following experiments reveals it. Take an empty cardboard box, cut off the top portion, make a hole on 2 opposite sides of the box. So you have 2 holes on 2 sides. Keep the box on the table. Stick a candle and keep it near one hole conveniently. The flame should be in the same height as the hole is. See through the other hole. If you can see the flame, it means the light is traveling in a straight line. Suppose you keep a pad in between 2 holes, the flame is not seen. The pad, which is opaque, avoid the light to pass through it. As light does not bend, you cannot see the flame, isn't it? Let's see chapter 3. Third one. If you put a drop of oil on a paper, it becomes more transparent. Before you straightway you go to do the experiment, better understand what is refraction. What are transparent substances? What are transparent substances? A transparent substance is one which allows the light to pass through it, but there are substances which does not allow the light to pass through it. They are opaque. Those substances which scatter light are semi-transparent. Light which falls on an object can be known in three forms: reflected light, absorbed light, and propagated light. Take a glass slab and keep it on a table. Imagine a light ray fall on the slab at A. A part of it, IA, is reflected. The rest part through the frame at another point of the frame, that is B portion IB, is reflected and rest comes out as IT. At B, the intensity of light is divided as IB and IT. Let a light, when passed from one media to another media, it changes its directions. This is called refraction. Though light travels naturally in straight line, when passes from one transparent object to other, transparent rays bend at surface between two objects. Example, from air to water. The refractive index depends on both the media. The refractive index of air is I. The refractive index of each object is furnished after comparison with that of air. The refractive index of glass is 1.5. At B, in the above figure, the ray IR is divided as IB, reflected ray, and IT, propagated light ray. At B, light passes from glass to air. The refractive index of glass and the air are 1.5 and 1 respectively. Result is a portion of reflected and rest is propagated. A paper has sufficient number of air pockets. When light fall on it, a portion of light goes back from the surface of the paper and the rest enter in. As the paper will not be uniform because it is prepared out of fiber, the light inside the paper is a mixture of two different media. Paper is fiber and air pockets. The reflective index of air is different than that of paper. Therefore, light that travels through paper has to face reflection. Due to the repeated reflection, only little light passes through paper. Paper more or less becomes to be opaque. Moreover, only a little light is reflected. The surface of the paper gets light familiar to. Moreover, only a little light is reflected. The surface of the paper gets light familiar to it. Take a white paper, put a drop of oil on it. The oil spread on it and wet some portion of paper. That means the oil fill in the air pockets of the paper. Therefore, the light passing through the paper faces oil and paper material than air and paper material. The refractive index of oil and the paper material are very near to each other. As their difference is very less, only a little amount of light reflects back and more light is passed through the paper. Therefore, the paper becomes more transparent. The fourth title, photosynthesis. The green plant prepare their food themselves by receiving energy available in the form of light in the sun rays. This is called photosynthesis. The leaves in the plant get green color by the chlorophyll. By sunlight only the plant grows. Do this experiment to know it better. Select a plant that is healthier and having broader and lengthy leaves. Cover one of the leaf with a cardboard and put a clip so that they do not fall. Let one of the cardboard be on the front side of leaf and the other on the back side. Observe the leaf after 3 days. Remove the cardboard. The leaf would have lost its green color as there were no light rays available for the leaf to grasp. Next we are going to see fifth title, fifth one, a burning candle kept in a jar gets extinguished if the jar is covered with a lid. It is obvious. Take a glass jar whose mouth is little broader. Keep a burning candle in it. Take a piece of cardboard. Cover the jar with the cardboard. Wait and see what will happen. In a short while, the candle is extinguished. When the cardboard is closed, candle burn for some time with the help of little air in the jar. When there is a scarcity of air, the candle gets extinguished. Burn a candle or lamp. To burn a candle or a lamp, oxygen is essential. Sixth one, flame. The flame of a matchstick will be always upwards. Burn a matchstick or 2 matchsticks. The tip of the matchstick burns and there will be a flame. You hold it downwards, but still the flame will be upwards due to the heat in the burning end the stick burns. When the element like sulfur in the tip of the matchstick or carbon in the stick burns, the various gases are produced. The unburned carbon particles in the flame becomes hot and the flame is expelled. The flame filled with hot gases will be the region of heat and light. The gases in the flame are thin than the air around, less dense. Therefore, hot gas goes up. It is not how you hold the matchstick is important. Always the flame, which is the region of hot gases, goes upward. It is just like the air bubbles always moves upward. If you want to burn the matchstick for maximum time, you are the better judge to hold it slant upwards or slant downwards.